So the Damaru represents great compassion and bliss. There's a lot of meaning. It can be emptiness and great bliss, but I make it easy for you. Great compassion and wisdom. With great compassion and wisdom, we can become a Buddha. Or great bliss and great emptiness. Only a Buddha has these qualities. Great bliss means a person who never ever have to suffer any negative karma again. They are always in bliss. Who has that? Only a Buddha. A person who has perceived emptiness. Only a Buddha. So by offering great bliss and emptiness, to the Buddhas, you create the merit to achieve it yourself. Does everybody understand that? Okay, come a little closer. So with this one, not you, the camera. Jeffrey wants to come sit here. He wants to be teacher's pet. Okay, now we hold this one with 3 fingers, okay? And the last 2 finger is the one that really holds it. And this thumb and this index finger and the thumb finger is pushing it, okay? And this is pulling it, so you have a natural tension. But you see, none of my fingers touch. This one never touches this. Okay, can you see, Joe? This one and this one never touch. Okay, but this is holding it and this is holding it. I'm like a Chinese acrobat. See, I can do all kinds of things with my Damaru. Then this one's holding it. Then when you move it the first time, you shake it with your whole arm. I'm sorry, your whole wrist. Not your whole arm, your whole wrist. Look at it here, everybody. Is my fingers touching the Damaru, the folded fingers? No, right? That's the way. Your folded fingers never touch the Damaru.